Hello, welcome back to another session of Webiclass. Today we are starting a 3 series on personal pronoun subjects and objects. Personal pronoun subjects and objects. We've got 2 objectives for today. These are, by the end of this lesson, we should be able to show that me cannot be used as a subject of a verb, and we should be able to demonstrate that you is a subject and you is at the same time an object. In other words, you does not change whether it's object or subject. Look at these. Subject can be either pronouns or nouns, and in the same way they can be objects also. Now with nouns we wouldn't have too much problem because nouns are just names of people, for example, like John, etc. But pronouns can be a bit of an issue. So today we want to look at the first of 3 sessions on the pronouns. Today we are looking at I and you. I is subject because it does the verb. For example, I see John. Me cannot be subject, it can only be object because me cannot do any action in any sentence. For example, John sees me. The action is being done by John and not me. Me and my brother went home will not be correct because there are 2 people doing the action here. Me doing action which is not possible. My brother also doing the action of going home. We say my brother went home, that's okay, but we cannot say me went home. That is why me and my brother went home is not possible. If we do that, we are using me as a subject. It's never possible. Me is an object. And look at this sentence. This is business between 2 neighboring countries. Between is a preposition. It is an indirect object. That is countries. We know it's indirect object because we've seen it in another lesson earlier that between is a preposition. Prepositions will introduce indirect objects. You is subject because we can see you doing action like you see John. But at the same time, you is seen in sentences not doing action. For example, John sees you. John is the one doing the action here. You is not doing anything, so it's an object. Therefore, bear in mind, you is subject and you is object at the same time, depending upon what you is doing in the sentence. Now, what have we done so far today? We've been able to prove that pronouns can be subject and object, nouns can be subject and object. But then we are more interested in the pronouns, personal pronouns, because they can change. As we've seen in this lesson, you doesn't change. Whether it's subject or pronoun is you, whereas I changes to me when it is used as an object. Now, hold on for today's takeaway.
Today's takeaway. 1. Explain why it is wrong to say, my brother is older than me. Remember that both of you are old. 2. What is the correct thing to say?
Well, this is Roger Olympio, your usual Webiclass teacher. Take care, and I'll meet you in the next lesson. Bye.
Are you not yet subscribed? Don't lose out. Join us in Webiclass. Share, ask questions, suggest and subscribe.